In this part of the tutorial, we'll install the App Inventor on a Windows machine, and I'll use a Chrome browser, but you can install it on any configuration supported by the App Inventor. If you follow the official setup guide, you'll have no problem installing it on any of the supported configurations. Just follow it step by step. So we'll go to the appinventorbeta.com/learn. Here you can see the setup link. And there are a couple of links here that should tell you if Java is already installed or should you install it. You should have any of the supported operating systems and any of these browsers. I'm going to use Windows 7 with Google Chrome. So here there is the Java test page, and there is a test page to see if the entire installation is successful. But first we'll go just to demonstrate how it looks like when you don't have the Java engine. Assuming that you don't have it, we're going to do a fresh installation, so I don't have it installed. This is how it looks like in Chrome if you don't have the Java installed. And here is the test if you have everything set up correctly. So we don't have the Java. We'll install it first. From the link here, you're gonna go to the Java homepage, java.com, and download it and then run it. We get the success message. We'll refresh this page to see that Java is working, and it tells you about the Java version, which is required here to have a certain version of Java. Now we'll go back to this page and we'll refresh it. We still see that it's not indicating that the application is properly installed. Until now, we only installed the Java engine. Now we're going to install the application itself, the App Inventor application. We'll go to Windows, which is the operating system I use, and we'll download the installer. It's quite heavy, and I'll fast forward the tutorial just to skip it. We can run the setup. Nothing much to do here, and everything is installed. Now we can go back to this link and see that everything is installed. And we can launch the application from here, but we'll do it in the more regular way, just from here, from My Projects. And no project is here yet. We will create a small new application just to demonstrate how to launch the emulator. So project name will be Demo 1. We'll get into here and we'll just drop some buttons and some components here. Doesn't really matter. We'll run the block editor. Here it is, our coding environment, and we'll launch an emulator. Here is our emulator. Here we are going to see all the changes in the application, and here we can test the functionality of the application. And once it is running, we'll connect it to our small application. In the meanwhile, I'll rearrange the screens, the windows, so we can see it side by side, like so. So we'll connect to the emulator. If you have an Android phone connected with USB to your computer, you're gonna see another device here, and you can choose your phone if you want to see it on your phone and not on the emulator. I use the emulator because it's first of all, I can record it here for the tutorial, and for me it's easier, but you can use your phone. So we connect it to the emulator. So I'll connect it to the emulator. It takes a moment to synchronize and to transfer the newly created application to the emulator. So here it is. Now that it's the icon here is green, we know that it's connected. If for some reason the connection is broken, if the application is crashed on the emulator or on your real phone, all you need to do is click here again, and it will transfer your application to the phone again to be restarted. If for whatever reason the application disappeared from your phone, you don't have to disconnect and reconnect. You just click the connection again. As you can see, we have the two elements here. These are the two elements that we have here. If we change something here, it will instantly change on the screen of the emulator. If we drag another label here, you see that it was added here. If we change the label, the title here, so you can see it changed here. So basically this is the installation, pretty much very simple, and I've installed it several times on different computers, different configurations. If you just follow the instructions on the official page, you won't have any problem with the installation. So that's it. Thank you, and see you on the next videos.